Welcome back to Whitt Acres. Today we're doing a mama bird shuffle. We have a beautiful day here today, and actually we're getting a beautiful week because we have blue skies and sunshine on the forecast. Huh, pup, what are you sniffing for? But the weather is gorgeous and the ground is dry, so we can pretty much do any of the projects we want to do on the homestead. As you can see, we have the backhoe down in the vegetable garden. I was pulling out some old fencing, and we're probably going to need that for Mumble's pond. But today we're going up to the barn because we had a new mama hen hatch out some baby chicks, and she's in the top of the barn and she needs to move out to a new house. And I also figure it's about time we can move Lil Ro and Jenny out into a bigger space. Hey broilers, how's everybody doing over here? No heat lamp today. I have been putting the heat lamp on at night because we've been going down into the low 40s. We went down to 42 last night, which is a little bit chilly for these small birds, so we put the heat lamp on to keep them comfortable. But I think they're going to be good from now on because we're supposed to be up into the 60s at night now. So no more supplemental heat. They should be good to finish feathering out. And if I have time later, I am going to be doing a project on Mumble's pond. But first, we have to start with the mama hens. And right now we have 3 new mama hen chickens. Oh, Pop. You handle it. The first one to hatch out some chicks this year was Lil Ro. Hey, Lil Ro. Your baby's doing good? They're getting big. We have Lil Ro in the mini coop mansion with her 2 baby chicks, and soon after, Jenny hatched out a baby chick as well. And we actually gave one of Lil Ro's chicks to her, so she had 2 for herself. And Lil Ro is actually Jenny's mom. She hatched out 3 chicks this year. Unfortunately, Jenny only hatched out 1. And I don't want the chicks raising up by themselves, so we made it even and gave them both 2. However, the one that Jenny hatched out first is deformed in the feet. It has a little curled toes. And one of the legs sticks out to the side a little bit. I did have tape on its feet for a little while trying to get those toes to go straight. And it has helped out pretty well getting the toes straighter. But that one leg is still sticking out to the side, so it kind of hobbles around. But it's able to get around decent. What are you doing, Duke? Maple? Clara? Little trio here. Duke's got his 2 favorite girls, Maple and Clara. Hey, Pebbles. Everybody being good over there? 2 on a little lunch date. Okay. A little one. Going in. And we've been moving them onto fresh grass as they need it here in the little coops. They are all portable, but they're getting bigger, and I think it's time we give them some more space. And right now we do have a couple of empty spots to choose from. We have the halfling hut, which I think we're going to be putting Jenny and her kids in. And we also have the love shack out back that I think we're going to use for Lil Ro. Dizzy, you trying to get in here, girl? Come here. Come on over. Good job, Rufio. Hey, Dot. I think I just need to top off the barnyard pond a little bit. I did a full clean out yesterday, but I didn't quite have enough time to top it off last night. It's almost there. Is the hose still in the water? Yeah, there it is. I see ripples. It's close. Dot. Now I might as well check really quick here. I don't know when Chicken the Third is gonna hatch out her eggs, but she is broody in here. So is Snowball. But she has eggs that are a little bit older than anybody else. So I just wanna make sure nothing's going on quite yet. Hey girl, what's going on under you? Anything new? 1, 2, 3 eggs. No broken one, no fluffy butt. Okay. You good, girl? I think she's just trying to lay an egg, but we also have Sapphire that's broody down here and Dot up here. And honestly, these eggs are getting hard to keep track of. Dot, coming through. Sedgwig, how you doing, girl? Goats! You 2 playing on those tires yet? I have not seen you on those tires yet. We buried some tires in their pen, give them some new jump around space. Pulled some logs out, give them more run around space. And I have not seen you 2 using them yet. You goats. Now we may have to do some cleanup over here around the love shack, but it's open and ready for business. But I was thinking we're gonna put Lil Ro in here since Jenny has that little disabled chick. This one's a little bit harder to get in and out of the coop, so I think it's gonna be better to put Lil Ro in here. The halfling hut is a little bit more handicap accessible. Oh no, what's going on in here? I hear a chirping. You didn't get out away from Mama, did you? You got all 4 of you safe? Are you missing one? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it is. Just go back home. Hold on, Dustbin. I got you, girl. I got you, girl. Just go home. Little chick, where'd you go? What are you doing, little chick? Go to Mama. Oh, she got him. Find your way in? Good. That's why we're moving you out, girl. Your babies are getting more curious and they're gonna want to go explore. Let me take a look at ya. Everything good? You got them all back in order? Don't step on them. She's got 4 little baby chicks under her. Looks like your water's about empty. I think this is a good time to move you out. Look at all those little heads. Dustbin here is a first-time mama. She actually hatched out on the homestead last year. What are you doing, Bonnie? Why are you in there? Come here. Oh, calm down. Come here, girl. Stay here, pup. Don't bother those broody girls. Come on out, Bonnie. We're gonna get one of the little coops set up for Dustbin and we'll move her out first. Hey, come on. We don't have all day. Make a move. Go on. What are you doing? In or out, girl? All right, you staying in. Hey, ducks. You all broody? Okay. Staying in then. Hang out with chicken the 4th. All right, pup. 4 chicks is more than a handful. We're gonna need a container to move them. Huh, pup? Huh, pants? Looking fluffy. Huh, Rufio? That's probably good enough. Keep it tight. Now we have a couple options here. We have the little red mini coop. We have the little mini barn, but I don't think that one's right. I'm thinking it's gonna be this one, but I'm gonna have to move it because it is an overgrown forest in there right now. And I think Dustbin would have a hard time keeping track of her babies in there. So I'm gonna have to pull this out onto some fresher grass a little bit lower, and then we can get her moved out into this coop. Huh, pup? Oh yeah, that's overgrown. Anything living in there? Hope not. Well, my handle broke. Always something to fix. All right, that is better. Look at all this beautiful green forage for them. We'll just have to get some fresh bedding in the top coop and we'll be good to go. Huh, pup? Make it safe. Nice. All right, pup, we're ready. All right, we're gonna get the hot rod out. I think this is gonna be perfect. Hey, Goots. I wanna see you on those tires. Coming in, Dustbin. I got your ride here, girl. You don't have to worry. I got everything ready for you. You don't even have to pack a bag. Close the door here and we'll just put them in through the top. Hey, girl. All right, you ready? Coming in, Dustbin. Be gentle, girl. Be gentle. We don't need to be jumping all around, okay? Oh, we're losing one. Get back in here, bud. Get back inside. Thank you. Okay, we got one going in. It's okay, girl. It's okay. You're gonna be with them. You're going with them. Huh, pup? Got 2 birds in a box. Hold on, pup. It's okay. Hold on, Dustbin. Let me get the light one. Oh, whoa, you pecked your own baby there. You're okay. It's okay. Everybody have nice feet? Good so far. Okay, Dustbin. Let me get this last one. It's okay. You're going with them. There we go. Last one in the box. Feet look good. All right, Dustbin, come on. Come here, mama hen. In you go. There you go. Reunited. It'll be a short carry. Huh, pup, that wasn't too difficult. All right, let me carry you guys. See if we can see you on the way. There you go. Come on, Dustbin. Keep it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you got them all. Take it nice and easy. Yeah, what do you think of all this daylight? It's a beautiful day out here. You can get some fresh air, get you out of that corner, start getting some grass again. That'll be nice. Huh. All right, let's get you over here. Almost there, girl. And we're home. Back it up, pup. There we go. We can set the box right here. Life. Life. Gotta get a good thumbnail, pup. Good boy. Okay. We can just open up the door and they'll run right inside. There you go. Back up, pup. No, back up. I know, birds in a box, but they're coming out of the box. 3 more. Just got 1 in there. It's really hard to see. There's a lot of daylight going on right now. There they go. There you are. The whole family's out. Welcome to your new home, little ones. Good. You got forage, water, and feed. Go ahead and show them what to do, Mama. Good. That went smooth. Go ahead and close you up, girl. You get acquainted with your new spot. I think we'll move Lil Ro next, take her up to the Love Shack with her 2 babies, and then we'll take Jenny over to the halfling hut with hers. Dabbles. Good. And this will work for everybody. Hey, Lil Ro. Your ride is here. Make this easy on me, girl. Let's make this easy. I think you taught him all your escape moves, didn't you? Where'd you go? There. Hey, you're quick. You're quick. Oh, easy, easy. Not trying to hurt anybody. Calm down. One more, Pop. Back up. Back up. Eat. Eat. You're going with them. You're going together. Calm down. Calm down. There you go. Up, Pop. Birds in a box. Hold on, girls. All right, here's your home. We made it. Beep, beep, scoot, scoot. Puppy, we might have to get the weed whacker out. All right, little Roe. Hey, hey, hey. I don't need your help here, pup. Calm down. There you go, girl. Door's open. Head on out. Call your babies. Back up, pup. Good. Good. Follow mama. There you go. Look at all that extra space you have to explore. We'll try and get this cleaned up around the outside. You guys just settle in. I'll get you some water. There you go, little Roe. There you go, girl. I'll put it in the shade. There you go. All right, we gotta go get Jenny. Are they ready, pup? Did you tell them? It's moving day, Jenny. Anybody in here? Back up, pup. Close off the house, make it easier to catch them. Moving day. That's gonna make it a little harder. Jenny just escaped. I got the crippled one. Now the toes are still curved, but we got the foot to flatten out. This one, not so much. Oh, bud. Yep, yep. Who says homesteading's not a sport? Get in there, bird. Buddy, you gotta try and catch Jenny now. That's gonna be hard. Buddy. Jenny girl, you wanna stay with your baby still, don't you? Buddy. Hey, Jenny. Make this easy, girl. She's quick, she's quick. Oh, I got her. I got her. I got you, girl. You're not ready to move out of your house yet. Hold on, Jenny. I don't want to get you tangled. Take it easy. Hold on, pup. Hold on. Calm down. Hey, come here. Like, hey, look at the mess you got in. Oh, you. Hey, Calm down. Back up. Relax. Hey, hey, hey! Relax. Out. Move. Relax. Like, you don't need all that. Going in. We got the gang back together. Alright, over to the halfling hut where we'll be safe. Come through. You're gonna love your new home, girl. You're going to the halfling hut. I think the mushrooms are pretty much gone. Coming in. Make sure it's safe in there, pup. Your new home. Alright, back up, pup. Let her come out at her own pace. Call them out, Jenny. There you go. There you go. You got some more runaround space now. A lot bigger box. I'll get you guys some feed. Go ahead and do some exploring. Not as much forage as Little Row, but we can let you all the way out once you get used to the inside here. We'll give you a few days inside and then we might be able to let you out to the main pen. Yeah. Be right back. Alright, girl, I don't know if you're going to be big enough or your kids are going to be big enough to get over that feed bowl. So I'm just going to put this one up on tilt. And I think that'll work for everybody. Alright, enjoy some nature, Jenny.
You little ones.
Make it safe, Pop. All right, Pup, come on. Let him settle in. Come on. We got other things to do. Hey, goats. Hey, girls. I want to see if I can get you on these tires before we finish up this video. Coming in. Oh, I got treats. Treats. There you go, mocha and cream. Follow me. Little goat see, little goat do. There you go. Good girl. Oh, let me get up. Let me get up. There you go. You too? Good girl. Keep coming. Keep coming. That's a good goat. That's a good goat. You're just laying down, girl. I'm trying to get you to climb. Come this way. Huh? Coming up here? You can't come up here? Climb, girl. Climb. Climb. Be a goat. Be a goat. Get up there. Get up there, girl. Jump onto it. Come on, climb the tire. Climb the tire, goats. Climb the tire. There you go. Good girl. Get all fours up there. I want to see you on it. I want to see you on it. Come on. Come on. Wait, maybe I can get you to climb down. There you go, Mocha. Mocha, right. Come here. Come here. Good girl, come on. There it is. There it is. Mocha, good girl. Good girl. There you go, Cream. All right. You got on your tires now. You don't need to be afraid of them. Go ahead and use them now. That was it. Just an afternoon snack. That was all. Whoa, you stay down. No goat escapes this year. Girls. Rufio, Pants, good to see ya. Huh, Pop, I think that's good. We got all the mama hens moved to their new spots. Now we have Lil Ro and her 2 baby chicks in the love shack out back. Go ahead, use those tires. We have Jenny and her 2 kids in the halfling hut that's in the middle of the chicken run, and we moved Dustbin out to the little red mini barn. Or was this the mini barn? Girls, calm down. They're so loud this year. You goats. Huh, Pop. But Dustbin has moved into her new spot, and she can get her kids out in the daylight foraging on grass. And I just love to see them out on grass the first time. Hey, little ones. And I was a little nervous because I'm not sure what egg she was hatching out, but it looks like everybody has good feet and legs. We don't have any deformities on this bunch. Try and stay healthy, everybody. You got all 4 in there? There you go, keep them in order. Proud of you, Dustbin. Huh, Pop. Good boy. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this one. 4 new baby chicks on the homestead, and we got everybody moved out to their new houses. If you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button before you leave, and if you want to help support the channel even more, check out my website, whittacresdesigns.com, for nature-inspired designs on merchandise and apparel, like this shirt I'm wearing today. Enjoy nature and find something that fits you. You can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Good boy.